Chapter 10, Magnetic Field due to electric current. Next topic, magnetic lines for a current loop. Due to current loop, or it is also called a coil. A coil take number of turns of wire, or hence it is called current loop. And due to current loop, the magnetic field produced around this wire, and due to magnetic field there is magnetic lines. Suppose we consider a coil or current loop having number of turns. This current loop carrying a current I. This current circular coil or current loop carrying current I. Due to this current, or according to right hand thumb rule, the direction of current, suppose this is the direction of current in upward direction, and according to right hand thumb rule, the conductor is held in your right hand in such a way that the thumb denote the direction of current and curved finger denote both curved finger around the conductor, and that finger shows the magnetic field. In this case this thumb denotes the direction of current. In this case, this thumb denotes the direction of current, and around that wire or loop there is production of magnetic field. Due to magnetic field, there is magnetic lines, or these magnetic lines, suppose this is the magnetic lines. These lines shows the magnetic lines from lower end to upper end. That means this magnetic field or magnetic lines has two ends. As like a bar magnet, there is two ends, N pole and S pole, and due to these two poles, there is a formation of magnetic field. Also, these circles shows there is a production of magnetic field, and this arrow gives the direction of magnetic lines. The direction of magnetic lines to lower side to upper side. That is, this upper side or upper part acts as a N pole, and the lower side or lower part acts as a S pole of the bar magnet, and this lines is called magnetic lines. In previous lecture, we derived the relation, that is the magnetic field due to current loop, and this magnetic field is along z-axis. Hence, we prove that Vz is equal to mu 0 I r square divided by 2 into bracket z square plus r square. In previous lecture, we derived this relation, that is magnetic field due to current loop along z-axis direction. Hence, it is written as Vz is equal to mu 0 I r square divided by 2 into bracket z square plus r square is to 3 by 2. Now we consider z is equal to 0. That is the point P. In previous lecture, in this figure, the distance between point P and center O, this distance is z. If that point P at center, that is z is equal to 0, then we get B0. Z is equal to 0, hence B0 is equal to mu 0 I r square divided by 2 r square raised to 3 by 2. B0 is equal to, or this is equal to mu 0 I r square divided by 2 cancel 2 r cube, or finally this r square cancel mu 0 I divided by 2r. Then the magnetic field when the point Z or point P at center of circular loop, then B0 is equal to mu 0 I upon 2r. If coil having n number of turns, the coil having n number of turns, then B0 is equal to mu 0 Ni upon 2r. Then coil having n number of turns, then the magnetic field or magnetic induction B0 is equal to mu 0 Ni upon 2r. Also, due to this current loop, circular loop carrying current I, this is acts as a magnetic dipole, because this upper side acts as a n pole and lower side acts as a s pole. Hence, this type of coil acts as a magnetic dipole. Acts as a magnetic dipole. Hence, we discuss the circular loop carrying a current as a magnetic dipole. This circular coil carrying current I acts as a magnetic dipole. Also, in previous previous lecture we calculate the equation Bz is equal to mu 0 I r square divided by 2 z square plus r square raised to divide. Then we get, or in figure, in previous lecture we see the figure x axis, y axis, z axis, circular coil, and point P along z axis, and this z distance is very greater than r. Hence, as compared to distance z, this distance very large as compared to radius of circular coil. Hence, this r is neglect. Then what we get? Vz is equal to mu 0 I r square divided by 2 z square raised to 3y. Now this is equal to mu 0 I r square divided by 2 z cube. If capital A is the cross section area of wire, this is equal to pi r square, then we put the values of this instead of r square. Therefore, r square is equal to a upon pi. Therefore, we get Vz is equal to mu 0 I a upon 2 pi z cube. Also, we know that I into A is equal to m, and this m is called magnetic dipole moment. This m is called magnetic dipole moment. Therefore, Vz is equal to mu 0 m divided by 2 pi z cube. Vz is equal to mu 0 m upon 2 pi z cube. If we rearrange, multiply or divided by 2, we get Bz or B bar is equal to mu 0 to m divided by 4 pi into z cube. This is the magnetic induction due to magnetic dipole moment or magnetic dipole. Hence, this circular coil acts as a magnetic dipole. B bar is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi to m upon z cube. Sometimes suppose this distance is x, then mu 0 upon 4 pi to m upon x cube. But in our book the distance is z, hence mu 0 upon 4 pi to m upon z cube. This is due to magnetic dipole. Now we consider the analogy of this magnetic dipole with electrostatics or electric current or electricity. Now we know that using electrostatics concept, using electrostatics concept, the electric field intensity E bar, electric field intensity E bar is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 2 pi bar upon x cube upon x cube, or instead of x we can write z cube. Suppose this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. This equation 1 due to magnetic dipole, and this is electrostatic concept, that is electric intensity E bar is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 2 p bar upon z cube. Where this p bar is electric field or electric dipole moment. This p bar is called electric dipole moment, and this m bar in equation 1, m bar is magnetic dipole moment. This is the analogy between electric dipole and magnetic dipole. In electric dipole we get electric intensity. Due to this electric dipole we get electric intensity 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 2 p bar upon z cube. And in equation 1, due to magnetic dipole moment we get magnetic field or magnetic intensity mu 0 upon 4 pi 2 m bar upon z cube. Hence we get the analogy of these two equations. This mu 0 is analogous to 1 upon epsilon 0. This mu 0 is constant due to magnetic field, and epsilon 0 is constant due to electric field.